every devotee feels the presence of God and feels the existence of Krishna in his own individual way. And that's called his ruchi. That's called his taste and his personal experience in devotion. Without that taste, without that experience, then one cannot carry on. So that's always coming, and the devotee progresses more according to the increase of that taste. So when Gurudev, as the relationship develops over time, as you serve Gurudev more and you hear from him more, then you start developing the relationship is in Dasya Bhav. He is my master, he is my spiritual master, I am his servant. That's called Dasya Bhav. And there's so much respect. And then as you serve, and because the Gurudev is affectionate to his disciples, then you feel friendly towards the Gurudev, you feel some friendship. So that's Sakya Bhav. So you feel friendship, and you feel happy to be with Gurudev, and you see that he's happy to see you, so you feel the reciprocation from the person, Gurudev, Guru, that he's treating you with affection, with love, and you feel his love, so then your love increases. So naturally, like any relationship. But it never crosses the Maryada. You always follow all these rules and regulations of Maryada. You don't step on his things. Gurudev's my friend now, so I can wear his socks, and I can use his clothes, and I can sit on his asana, and I can go in the temple and sit on his asana and study, and when he's not there. And no, we don't. We always maintain this mood of respect. What I say in the ideal guru relationship is a perfect blend of intimacy, respect, and friendship. There's friendship. Gurudev is like a friend. And then some people, we see when devotees write their Vyasa Puja offerings, they write some offerings to their guru. Sometimes we see in some places they do like that. And they say, oh, Gurudev, many times ladies will write like this. They'll say, oh, Gurudev, you're like my father, because maybe they had no father. Their father he ran away, or he was not good, or he beat them, or he was not kind and loving. So they see this elderly man, this elderly person, the guru, they kind of project that he's like my father. Oh, Prabhupada, I've read so many times. Oh, Prabhupada, you're like my father. You're guiding me, protecting me, helping me. You're just like my spiritual father. So you can see Gurudev as father, as friend, like this. So these type of moods are there. But always the basic relationship of Guru and Shishya, he is my master eternally and I am his servant. So there's more formality and there's more respect on the plane of Guru Shishya in Sadhaka Rup, in this form that we have, man-woman form, that we're serving Guru. There's much more respect and much more distance. But then, when we come to the spiritual world in Siddhadeha, then Guru is in his Siddhadeha. So now, if you're in the Mandri Bhav, like Gaudiya Vaishnavas, many are in the worshipping in Madhurya Rati and Mandri Bhav. So then now the Siddha Swarup, the perfect Siddha spiritual body of the disciple, he or she is in Gopi Swarup as a Mandri. And Gurudev is also Mandri. But even there, Gurudev has a particular name of Mandri, and I have a particular name. So we're both Mandris. So what are we? Now we're both Dasis. And Radharani is the master, and Krishna is the master, and Lalita Sakhi is the master, and Rupa Mandri is the master, and Rati Mandri is the master, and Vishaka Sakhi is the master of Gurudev. Because now when we see Gurudev, he has his spiritual master, then his spiritual master, and his spiritual master. And in the spiritual world, also, Gurudev has his master, and I'm a Dasi, he's a Dasi, but still I have respect because he's my Guru Devi. Some people say Guru Sakhi. I asked Gurudev, I said, how do we think of you, or when we meditate like that, do we think of you as Gurus? I should call you Guru Devi or Guru Sakhi? He said Guru Devi. I said, okay, what as you like. Some people, they say my Guru Dev in this world, my Guru Dev and my Guru Sakhi. They said Guru Dev, Guru Sakhi, my Guru Devi. So there, even then, the Gurudev, sometimes Gurudev will give orders. You do this seva, you help me with this, you do that. But there, the relationship will be much more intimate, much more friendly, because you'll be living together 24 hours a day. The Manjri, the sadhana siddha Manjri will be with the Gurudev in the spiritual world eternally, and 24 hours a day they'll be together. So how much intimate? Now you go every once a week or once a month or whatever to see Gurudev, personally see or whatever. But there so obviously when there's such proximity, maybe sleeping next together, everywhere, eating, sharing, eating together, sharing clothes. You'd be just like two sisters in a family. You have two sisters in a family. One's 12 and the other one's 12 years and 9 months, and the others, of course, if they're sisters, she has to be at least a year or so younger. He's a couple of years younger. So, but there, the Gurudev is only a few months or a few days older than the the disciple. The Gurudev is 12 months and 12 years and 9 months and 11 days, and you're 12 years and 9 months and 10 days. So you're the same size. You can change clothes. You can. Gurudev, can I wear your dress today? Yeah, okay. So, because there's no boundaries. There's love, but here there's some more boundaries. There's some more formality in the sadhaka roop. But there, and even here, you see that among disciples of any guru, some are very close, some are very distant, some have a very awe and reverence, folding hands. Jai Gurudev, yes Gurudev. And some are very close to the Gurudev. So in Chanakya Pandit, he says about Niti Shastra, he said three personalities you should not get too close to and too far from. Or three entities or objects. Should not get too close or be too far away from. Guru, king, and fire.